So, Coach, yesterday, a tough 3-2 loss at Red Bull Arena. It's the second time in 3 weeks that we've lost a goal deep into stoppage time. What was the overriding message that was given to the players in the dressing room after the game yesterday?
Yeah, Coach really just emphasized that, obviously we're disappointed and extremely frustrated to give up, late goals anytime that happens. And, when you don't get a result, it stings a little bit, especially, we had actually an opportunity at 2-2. We fight back and had at 2-2, had a chance to go up 3-2, and you think that's probably going to be in your favor, and it doesn't happen. And then the goal they scored, though, you tip your hat to the guy. An unbelievable strike. Again, you hate to concede goals. You never like it, but there are some times when you give it to an individual who makes a great effort. And that's what he did. And so you can't be overly upset at the goal itself because it was just a great strike. And so credit to him. But again, I think the idea is just we're pursuing excellence. And I think that the byproduct of being excellent is that you get good results and you get favorable results. Now, does it always happen? No. But I think, as a staff, we're extremely pleased that we're continuing to head in the right direction. I think every game there are things that we can build on and things that are getting better. And, that was just the message that Coach gave. It's like, hey, we're still going to push for excellence, and it's never going to be perfect, but we're going to continue to ask for that out of our guys and out of our staff as a team. That's what we want to do. And, we're going to trust that in the long run it's going to produce results. And I think we'll look back at the end of the day, at the end of the season, and really say, okay, you know what, we're pleased with where we're at.
There's been a lot of plaudits on the offensive side with 15 goals this season, but on the defensive side we've conceded 10 in 6 games. So, it's only a couple of teams in the Eastern Conference with a worse record. What do you think has led to us conceding so many goals this early part of the season?
Obviously, it's a new group. And I think that takes time to gel a little bit. There's, again, even with some of the returners we have, a new team, new coaching staff, new philosophies, and just how we want to do things. I think sometimes it just does take some time, and obviously you never like to concede, any goal, let alone as many as we have. But that's part of it. I think, just again, the game, it can be cruel sometimes. And I think we've been unfortunate on a couple, and but I still think of all the things that we have going on right now. Yes, it's a concern. You never want to give up a lot, but on the whole, I think we're pleased with the progress we've made and some of the players and injuries too. That's a big issue we've had to overcome so far. Is we've had a lot of different players in that back line, and considering the number of changes that we've made and the number of personnel changes in the back there, I still think that everyone who's been back there has really done themselves well, and can be proud of what they've done so far.
Doesn't get any easier this week. We go to Charleston Battery, so it's a long bus ride to a team that's undefeated. What's the approach this week heading into that game?
Yeah, I think back-to-back games on a big pitch, that'll be nice for us. I think, last game at Red Bull Arena, it was a much larger field than what we've played on so far, and I think that I don't want to say caused problems, but it was a bit of adjustment for us in the first half. Going into Charleston, again, a big field, big pitch, I think we'll be a little more comfortable there. Obviously it's a great stadium, a beautiful atmosphere. So I think from a player's standpoint, regardless of the drive, you always find a way to get up for that game because it's just, one of the top venues in the nation. I don't care, what level you're talking about. It's Blackbaud Stadium is just a beautiful facility. And so as a player, they always get excited to go down there and play. So I expect our guys, to be ready as they always are and come out firing on all cylinders. And I think they're going to be hungry considering, again, the last game. They'll be hungry to get a great result.
Thank you.
Thank you.